the cat is still here. So I just decided to give her more food. And anyway, I already called someone to help her. They gonna posted her first, and then check for chips. Maybe she have something, so we know who's the owner of you, Kitty. Right, Kitty? Hi. You're so hungry? Okay, so hopefully you'll be in the warm place and you will find your family. Okay, try to help you. Bye bye for now, and thanks for watching. Hi guys, this is for my ulam today, my dinner. I'm super hungry. I just got home work for 8 hours and a half today. So, and I'm still cooking rice. No rice at all. Oh boy. So I steamed some lobster and shrimp and dip with soy sauce and Tabasco. And then I will steam some vegetables. Okay, and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, let's eat everyone. Lobster and shrimp with dip with soy sauce and rice. I'm so hungry. Okay, we'll see you, and thank you for watching.